Hi guys, it's Mario here from PC Organize. Here is with another video on WordPress on how to quickly install a theme on WordPress and and then do the demo files as well. So we have lots of themes out there, and to be honest with you, some of them are really difficult to install the demo version, but we're gonna try and do the few that we've been working with it, which is this AZ multi-purpose templates. So AZ multi-purpose templates, you can just Google them as AZ multi-purpose template and then download it, go to themes and then add new and then install it. Once you install it, you come here and activate it like I just activated now, and then you come here and then you see that is asking begin to install plugins. So install your plugins. It will take a little while and then install the plugins. Yeah, it's doing it now. So now it's finished. Just go back to plugin and then you see that is asking you begin activate plugins, because we just installed them and activated. Just click on that and then select them all, then click here and then activate, apply, and we just activated all the plugins for this software. Now if we go to appearance and then go to demo import and then click get started, and then the AZ multi-purpose themes have nearly 10 templates here, and obviously we can install them on our WordPress. So what I just did now, just preview it. So I'm just going to choose this one here and just click import. It's gonna take a little while. Sometimes it takes quite a long time on some computer, depending on your internet connection, but eventually we'll install the template, the theme. I keep on calling it templates since we were doing HTML templates. Sorry. Yeah, we're just gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, it come out, it finished anyway. So and now we just if we click visit my site and then straight away on our domain, and you will show the template actually installed, just like the demo site. And this is the fastest and the easiest that I've been able to install templates, to be honest with you. Guys, thank you so much for listening to our video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button for support, and if you really like the video and want to be notified when we release a new video, please hit the notification button at the end of the video and we'll notify you when we release a new video. As for your information, we make lots of videos on how to resolve computer problems, and if you have having problem with your computer, maybe this video or any of the old videos we have made might help you, so don't forget to see our other videos too. Please also don't forget to comment below any questions, any thoughts, any disagreement, and we'll try to reply as soon as we can. Now thank you for listening, and let's start with problem solving.